Sharif channel guys YouTube. So hojik ai sam kakluge samje yamna phibam am chadre sam kakthakluge and yeah. So yeng la si kaya mo price kaya leige do I'll show you in Dubai how much they are charging for haircut and I will show you it's affordable or not and it's similar to India or not. So normal haircut tawhandoini haibide adum normally salon amada chatlaga haircut tawhandoini local hai tare ko yamna kai tawdaba fancy oidaba high oidaba normally sida salon da lupa kya loge how much they charge and all I will let you know. So let's go guys. So I'm on the way, it's nearby to my room also. So let's go guys. So here is the salon. Busy and okay, I'll go. Oh my god. Here's my friend. He's cutting my. He will cut my hair today. So yeah, later. So here let's see. Lupa kya loge amasong process na chingba mi amda dum update tawke. Sine before cutting my hair side. Phibam si am chadre damage am noire samjigo. Pro yadre hairline hair is dim pura oire. Ano pagi. So guys, yung lasi. Okay, so start. I explain him how to cut and yeah, I need some old money look or something. So yeah, because I wear mostly old money stuff and all. So do maine mangon samjai kare samje maine kapiyo na yung lasi. Here si am phajabni sige am adum kai hai tare am aesthetic oiba interior ni yo waste way never plastic use tawwe haibde power tawba haibde use and throw ge why nungai ba kai oibane option oibane na brother se Pakistan se tum na ho re ko loire bhai ne kakpan so kakpa loire मैम yam phajabni मैम adum yaram gani na khalle ek बार वीडियो लो ना ऐसा ऐसा क्लोज से हम मैम साइड की बैक साइड की होगा मैं कटिंग से adum phajabni normally cutting ne koi yamna professional way wa cutting na te wa adu so yamna phajana kakchai ma tap nei na ko yeah. Okay, thank you. So kaya price se kya no मैम dai hai jar ke pe kya tauge do okay do so ये मंजर आगे जे चल लगा ready हुए हो तुमने okay bye interior gumba yam phajabane mo se zan yam phajana si ma thambati yam lo yaad hai okay chala duga update pirage so मैम से ने सैलून दो Finally ꯑꯩ ꯀꯛꯄ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯦ so price ꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯗꯦ 15 dirham ꯂꯧꯋꯦ 15 dirham ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯗꯤ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ almost 300 something 20-30 ꯃꯨꯛ ꯇꯥꯒꯅꯤ price ꯁꯦ so ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ ꯀꯠꯇꯤꯡꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯅꯦ normal cutting normal ꯗꯨꯕꯥꯏꯗ normal salon ꯑꯃꯗ priceꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ cuttingꯒꯤ priceꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯗꯨꯕꯥꯏꯗ normal salon ꯑꯃꯗ price ꯀꯌꯥ ꯂꯧꯒꯦꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯦ 15 dirham ꯂꯧꯒꯅꯤ 15 dirham ꯂꯧꯒꯅꯤ 15 dirham ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ 320 ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ 30 ꯃꯨꯛ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯅꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯇꯥꯡꯕꯗꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ so yeah ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯈꯔ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯐꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ 1,500 ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯝꯗꯕꯤꯗ 1,500 ꯗꯤꯔꯍꯝ 50-60 ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯧꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ so ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯅꯤ so ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯁꯦ ꯀꯝꯗꯧꯒꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯏꯟꯐꯣꯔꯃꯦꯇꯤቭ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯣ ꯃꯊꯪꯗ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯇꯣꯄꯤꯛꯇ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯗꯨ ꯁꯦꯝꯃꯛꯎꯅꯣꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯣ so that's it for today ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯛ ꯀꯃꯦꯟ ꯁꯤꯌꯔ ꯁꯕꯁꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯣ ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ